I've got a Honda key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. So the first thing you do is flip it over, pull this lever down, and pull the key out, like this. The next thing you're going to do is pry open the key fob by simply splitting it apart with your hands, like this. I recommend separating the battery cartridge away from the rubber in order to make it easier to take the battery out. So what you're going to do is you're going to push up on this tab right here, then take a screwdriver and you're going to wedge it right next to the tab that you're pushing up on. So again, push up on this tab right here and wedge right next to it. And the battery comes out. I'm going to put a new battery in. You start by pushing it in the back and then push down with your thumb on the front until you hear it snap. Then put the battery cartridge back in. Then snap the other side of the key fob back on. And then put the key back in. And your battery's replaced.